Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy out of chicken stock. Heat 2 cups of stock gently and reduce by simmering until concentrated, whisking occasionally. Meanwhile, melt 2 tablespoon butter and stir in 2 tablespoon flour to make a blonde roux, cooking briefly without browning. Gradually whisk hot stock into the roux until smooth, simmer until desired thickness, then season to taste with salt, pepper, and a splash of acid. When choosing a thickener, think about texture and time. A roux offers richness and stability for simmering dishes, while a cornstarch slurry is great for a quick, translucent gravy that sets fast. Reduction concentrates flavors, but requires patience and careful stirring to avoid burning. Combine methods if needed. Reduce first for flavor, then finish with a small slurry to hit the perfect viscosity without losing clarity or taste. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more videos and tips. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers are perfect for storing gravy and preventing spills when you transport meals, and they stack neatly in the fridge for easy meal prep. I love how they keep sauces separate and mess-free during reheats. Check the description for the list and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Layering flavors makes a memorable gravy. Use pan drippings or reduced roasted bones to add depth, then balance richness with a bright splash of lemon juice or a mild vinegar. Fresh thyme or chopped parsley adds aroma, and a small pat of butter mounted in at the end smooths edges and gives shine. Taste repeatedly while reducing, because concentrated stock can quickly become too salty without a balancing acid or fat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.